Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your Zedge application. Keep watching the video till the end. To uninstall your Zedge application, firstly go ahead and open up your app list. Search for your Zedge application and long press on it. A series of 4 options will pop up on the screen. That is uninstall, edit, widget and app info. From the pop-up option, tap on uninstall option. Confirm uninstallation of your application by tapping on OK. This is how you can uninstall Zedge application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.